How to use Sendit on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of how to guide. If you've not yet used Sendit on your Snapchat, in this video I'm going to show you the things that you need to know about using your Sendit with your Snapchat. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. First of all, you need to download this application onto your device. You can easily find this application on the Play Store. So you can easily download it and open up the app. Once you open up the app, first you need to connect your Sendit to your Snapchat. So just tap on Let's Go. And it's gonna say you are connected to Sendit. Just tap on Continue. Now your Sendit has been successfully connected with Snapchat. Through this section, you can do a couple of things. The first thing that you see is the Sendit games. You can see there are a couple of games that you can play. If you scroll past it, you can see these are the games that you can play within Sendit and send it as a snap or add it to your story on Snapchat. If you swipe for the left, you can see this is the Ask Me Anything, or this is the section where you can type in any question. So for example, if you type on the dice on the bottom left, you can see a random question appears. You can also customize your own text. And if you tap on the fire emoji, it's gonna bring up all the trending questions or sentences. If you like, you can pick one, and when you're done, you can just tap on share and it's gonna directly open it up on your Snapchat. From here you can send it as a snap or add it to your stories. If you tap on the play option, it is also gonna open up the Snapchat, and similarly you can send them as a snap or add it to your stories. So that's how exactly you can use Sendit on your Snapchat. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.